I got the old hat on again. It means it's summertime, it's yard mowing time. These Arkansas summers are hot. This year, I need a pool, and I got the perfect spot for it. Right there. Look like it in the camera, but it's not. It actually slopes down towards me and away from the house. So probably gonna have to do this two ways. We're gonna use these, and we're basically gonna make a batting system. You'll see what I mean in a minute. This is a string level, so it goes on your string, hooks on both sides, and then your string will tell you if it's level or not. Right now I'm showing that I'm going uphill. The string needs to come down quite a bit. Right there is level. This is where you don't want to cheat. Here, it compounds later. Now, let's repeat. Top half is flat. The bottom half is up quite a bit. Let me bring in about 1 inch. So now we go to the other hand. 9 inches, roughly. This side, we are right on the ground, about 2 inches. So what does that tell you? That tells you that on one side, we've got 9 and 1. So that's 8 inches of drop from one side to this side. And then from this one, we're flat on the ground and we've got 2 inches back here. So you have to cut it in half because you're doing a radius. So from here to here was 2 inches. So we actually only need 1 inch. And then from this way over to here was 9 inches. So we need about 4.5. From this end this way, I need to cut down 4.5 inches. Drag it all this way. Cut down 1 inch on this side and drag it all down. That way it will undercut that side and raise this side at the same time while using the same amount of dirt. I don't have to have any dirt hauled in. I can just drop this down and then I'll get my tamper and then we'll tamp it all down. But that's a tomorrow problem because we've got thunderstorms coming tonight. So hopefully the pain will stay and the strength will move. But got documentation, now I know what I gotta do. We'll see you tomorrow. Day 2 of installing the pool in the backyard. We've got a little over halfway full right now, and what we need to do right now is go around and refit some of these little brick papers down here at the bottom.
Right there, we want to make sure that it's not touching the actual whole liner. There's only a couple. This one right here. This one's touching. And that one maybe.
This thing's got some heat to it today, and so it's expanded a little bit, and some of the stuff has kind of shifted a little bit, which we expected. So right now we're going to fix that before we fill it up the rest of the way, but we're also going to put the pump together.
Quite a bit of stuff here. So we get to fit all of this down here and attach to these three places. Alright, we got a little pump situation going here. Got it all primed in. It's right here in your intake. And on here into the pump itself, the basket catcher, and into the filter, and from the filter back into the pool. Not a whole lot more left to go.